Hey everyone, so I have an 18 by 24 panel today, and we're going to do our split flip and drag. I already have my black and my white bases down. The paint mixing videos for our base paint mix and also our paint pouring mix is down below in the description. So I'm going to take my 5-ounce cup and I'm going to spray it with the WD-40 silicone spray. And this will help release all the paint from the cup. Just going to rub it in just a little bit. I haven't done one on a long panel, so I thought I would try that today. Something a little bit different. And I am going to use silver instead of gold because I want to see if it'll react with this black. So I'm going to put that in first. And about a tablespoon of each color. I'll follow that with the Liquitex Deep Violet. This is the DecoArt Sterling Silver. It comes in the jar. This is the Lukas Turquoise. And the FolkArt Blue Violet Flash. Let me give that just a tiny swirl, just to marry up those colors a little bit. And I am going to pop it right here. And I used about 1.5 ounces of paint in that, so a little over a tablespoon of each color. I'm going to go ahead and give that a little hole in the bottom to release my suction. Get my colors moving, getting some flow. I have a big gob of paint right here. So I'm cleaning off the edge of my cup so I can take that somewhere else. I do want some of that black to be in there. Love that right there already. I'm going to go ahead and give it a quick torch, and now I'm going to tilt. I have one little bare spot there. Give it just a little help with my finger. And we'll tilt it around a little bit. I want that deep violet to show up. Alright, so now I'm going to stretch. There we go. Quite a bit of black right there. But I think I might like that when I blow this out. I can try bringing some of this color down. And get my hands in the right spot. So I can always stretch it back. No, she's not budging. This is beautiful right here. Let me show you up close. So I'm not even going to touch that. I'll probably do most of my airbrushing into the black. And with that being said, I'm going to turn this around completely. And do that first. So when I do my airbrushing, I use an airbrush that I purchased off of my Amazon. It's just a small little compressor. Blows about 25 psi. So everything you need is in that one little unit. You don't have to buy a big tank compressor. And we're just going to push the edges out. I like to step back and look and see where I need to move a little more to balance out my flow of paint. I'm just going to touch this a little bit here so I don't disturb that. I really like that. And I think when this dries, the FolkArt Blue Violet Flash, and that's what's right in here, will come out really shiny. I have a pile of silver sitting here. I'm going to move it in and then move it back out with some color. And I think that's it. I do see a fuzzy. Don't know where that came from. Other than that, I like it. So I'm going to leave it right there. Of course, this will be hung this way. It's hard to show you with my little bit of space here. Let me wipe my hands. Move these bottles out of the way. Maybe I can turn it around to show you. It's really pretty. I'm very happy with it. Just need to touch up some corners and she'll be good to go. So that's, let me pull this up. This is how I'll be hanging it, and let me get it out of the glare for you. Just like that. Very pretty. Okay guys, that's going to be it for this one. Subscribe if you haven't already. Click on that bell for notifications. We're only uploading every other day now. 3 videos per week, because we do our Monday Night Live. So it's hard to get caught up when you get behind watching videos. We're just making it a little easier for our viewers. That way a lot of questions don't get asked because they get to see the video that explains it all. Also, join us every Monday Night Live at 9 p.m. right here on our channel, and that's Eastern Time. Check out Amazon for the supplies, the airbrush, the tray, everything we use, the torch, everything's in our Amazon shop. Sales have been great. Thank you so much for all your help. It does help us so that we can buy more supplies for our shop and bring these great videos to you. Check out our Etsy shop. We have some beautiful jewelry in there. Paintings will be going in soon, along with a little new side hustle that I'm working on. More information on that will be coming up soon on the channel. And check out all those links below. We have the stone coat, resin code, and the fan mail post office box, and Teespring for merch. But this one was really fun to do. I'm glad that I pulled this canvas out today. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Bye now.